Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a high-stakes discussion. Market crash incoming. Can Bitcoin hold? There's a lot on the table, and we're unpacking everything from the unprecedented market sell-offs to the latest moves in Bitcoin. So let's jump in. Last week was wild. We witnessed a two-day stock market crash that wiped out nearly $4 trillion from U.S. markets, with nearly half of that loss hitting just the Mag 7 companies. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, though initially resilient, started showing cracks. After holding steady at around $82 to $84,000, Bitcoin eventually fell by about $4 to $5,000 before clawing back a little. Despite the roller coaster, the fact that Bitcoin managed to largely hold its ground in the midst of massive market panic tells us something important about its resilience. Let's break it down further. The stock market, especially in the US, was thrown into turmoil. Analysts are pointing to the market crash as either part of an orchestrated plan or simply a consequence of aggressive tariff policies and global economic pressures. One theory circulating online suggests that the chaos might even be intentional, a maneuver to drive down key yields and set the stage for aggressive Fed cuts. Trump's cryptic tweets and the ensuing debates have only added fuel to the fire. Whether or not there's a master plan behind this, the short-term pain is real. People's retirement funds and investments have taken a serious hit. But even amidst this chaos, Bitcoin stands as a beacon of strength for many investors. Bitcoin's performance last week is noteworthy. Even when the markets were in free fall, Bitcoin's price hovered near the $80,000 range. We saw a moment when a whale game, a deliberate large-scale position liquidation, might have taken place, with hundreds of millions in longs getting wiped out. Yet despite that, Bitcoin rallied back into the $80,000 zone, proving that long-term holders, miners, and institutions remain heavily invested. To me, this resiliency reinforces the idea that Bitcoin isn't just surviving, it's holding strong. And if it manages to stay at those levels, we might be looking at a turning point as the broader markets continue to decline. Many are wondering, will this massive market crash signal a Black Monday akin to 1987? Or will we see the first bounce-back day that reaffirms Bitcoin's position as the big daddy of crypto? History tells us that after long stretches of red days, as witnessed during the 2008 crisis and even in early COVID responses, there's often a bounce. Jim Cramer recently hinted that if no corrective actions are taken, Monday might echo the brutal lows of past crashes. But if we see a bounce in Bitcoin into the $80,000 low range, that could provide some much-needed stability as other markets dive deeper. Remember, these turbulent times aren't just about short-term pain. For seasoned investors, market crashes have historically paved the way for rare, lucrative opportunities. The current market downturn, while painful, could set the stage for a once-in-a-lifetime rally once the bottom is hit. A key driver behind the market volatility has been the recent tariff policies and global trade disputes. It seems that some of these policies may not have been fully explained when they were enacted. What started as well-intended measures to protect domestic industries has, in the chaos, led to unintended economic stress on both domestic and international levels. Whether you agree with the administration's approach or not, it's clear that this incomplete execution has only added to public confusion and market instability. And while some might argue that tariffs could help restore manufacturing jobs and balance trade, the immediate fallout is painful, and the effects ripple across every corner of the financial world. So what's the bottom line? We're looking at a scenario where the stock market crash might continue or even worsen, while Bitcoin serves as both a refuge and a barometer for broader market sentiment. The key for crypto investors is to stay calm. Bitcoin's ability to hold steady around the $80,000 level, despite massive market sell-offs and even intentional whale games, suggests that it has the potential to not only weather this storm, but come out stronger on the other side. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into market trends, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.